Tratak Meditation, an ancient practice rooted in yogic traditions, focuses on enhancing concentration and mental clarity. By gazing steadily at a flame, practitioners train their minds to eliminate distractions, promoting deeper mindfulness and awareness. This technique empowers individuals to improve their focus in daily life, fostering inner peace and enhanced cognitive function. To maximize the benefits of Tratak meditation, establish a tranquil environment. Choose a quiet area, free from noise and interruptions. Use comfortable seating and adjust the lighting to create a calming atmosphere. This peaceful setting allows for deeper concentration, enhancing your meditation experience during the focused 2-minute practice. Choosing the right flame is crucial in Tratak meditation. Select a candle or another focal point that resonates with you personally, as this connection enhances your meditation experience. The flame symbolizes clarity and focus, serving as a constant reminder to maintain concentration while deepening your mindfulness practice. Proper positioning is essential for effective Tratak meditation. Sit comfortably while keeping your spine straight, which promotes alertness and reduces fatigue. This balanced posture allows energy to flow freely, enhancing focus. Being both relaxed and alert creates an ideal state for meditation, enabling you to engage fully with the practice. Begin your Tratak meditation by fixing your gaze on the flame. Allow your thoughts to quiet down as you immerse yourself in this focal point. The goal is to maintain your gaze without blinking, which strengthens concentration and helps to cultivate a deep state of mindfulness and presence during the practice. During Tratak meditation, distractions are inevitable. When they arise, acknowledge them calmly without judgment, and gently redirect your focus back to the flame. This practice not only strengthens your mental discipline but also enhances your ability to remain present, ultimately fostering a deeper connection to mindfulness and concentration. To effectively close your Tratak meditation session, gently close your eyes and take a moment to reflect on the insights and benefits gained. Express gratitude for the experience and the clarity achieved. This reflection reinforces the practice's impact, grounding you in peaceful awareness and encouraging ongoing mindfulness in daily life.